Jamol is a talented student and a standout when it comes to engagement both in and out of the classroom. A 2012 National Achievement Program Outstanding Participant, Jamol served as Student Council Representative and acted in One Act, volunteered in the Community Service Program, and contributed his skills to the club basketball program. Jamol also volunteered to be one of the first peer mentors in a program for underrepresented students of color at Loomis Chaffee. When asked why he wanted to participate in this pilot program, Jamol wrote, "I want to make sure that incoming students have someone to look to for comfort and advice." So thank you, Jamol, for giving back so generously to this community.
Yeah! Leo!
Hello. This is a momentous occasion, and as with all important events like this, I think we should document it officially via Twitter.
He's the ass up.
At the podium, about to give this speech, finna get giddy. Graduation swag. Can everybody hear me all right? Yeah, okay. Good morning, teachers, all of the faculty, mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, family, friends. Class of 201 Deuce. What's Gucci?